Breaking news, the NFL is moving Monday's Vikings-Rams wildcard matchup to State Farm Stadium in Glendale, Arizona, as wildfires continue to affect the Los Angeles area.
Trying to figure out what direction is that Palisades there.
I'll just give you some of the basics so you're aware. Hopefully you've seen the emails. The team is currently practicing right now. They will then head down to SoFi Stadium with their families. Board planes to Arizona tonight at 5 o'clock. The game hasn't been moved in 100 years in the playoffs, and there's a reason why. But if I can think of one organization that can do it, it's this one.
First and foremost, I think the most important thing is, to my understanding, everybody's okay. Nobody's been harmed or injured. You understand the severity of what's going on, and then when you start to see that smoke cloud and it affects guys that live in that area, now it becomes a little bit more real. We'll get on this flight this afternoon. A lot of guys are bringing family members or friends. Coaches are doing the same. Man, this is wild. I got this thing on my desk, and it just resonated before I walked in here. This says, built for this. You take it however you want. But here's what I will say to you guys, and I believe this, and being around you guys always brings me back. We've talked a lot about mental toughness. And when we talk about this situation and this circumstances that are unprecedented, here's the reality. You know what this means to me? This team is absolutely built for this. We are. You think about, all right, what's the most redeeming trait that this team has that you guys have earned? Resilience, mental toughness. Going from frustrated to focused. And then the reality is, what real mental toughness is doing the next right thing. We can't control any of that other stuff, where we'll continuously look back, say, no regrets, and we're going to be stronger for this, man. Grateful, man. I'm thankful. And then, you know what? We'll earn some extra days together. All right, but let's be right here, right now. We've had a bunch of different chapters in this story, man. And you know what's going to be a great story? Oh, man, Rams go through all this. That's going to be tough to overcome. Hey, we're built for this. We're built for this. Incredible hospitality by Mr. Bidwell and the Cardinals organization. You know, a lot of people deserve a ton of credit for making this as seamless and as smooth as it's been. And I've been really pleased with the prep that we've had. Our guys have been locked in, focused. We know we've still got a little bit of time until kickoff. We're looking forward to Monday night.
That second hallway, all the way down to the right. All right, thank you.
There won't be normal. You try to be where your feet are and understanding that this is where we are. We have a task to do, and when you get out onto the field, it is focused on being where you are. And there's nothing normal about practicing at the Arizona Cardinals facility and, you know, everything that's going on, all the implications that are going around. You still feel that.
Our entire year has been a story of resilience. We're built for this, and we are coming out of this so much stronger, so much more together, and I'm excited for the product that we get to put out there on Monday night. At the end of the day, we are a resilient group, and everything that we've done thus far has been a testament to our resilience.
Football is about playing as one, doing things together, the connectedness of a team, and so being able to harness this and take this and say, hey, this is an unfortunate thing that we're having to deal with, nothing close to things that are happening in the real world. But it's an opportunity for us to draw close together and be able to respond from a little bit of hardship here and go out there and do something special.
"38 buses of Ram fans came across the desert this morning. 50,000 tickets were sold in the first 2 hours Friday when the NFL announced this game was moving to Arizona. A Rams home playoff game in the Arizona desert, this is bigger than football. Much more. I mean, just take a look at this place."
Greeting you from Glendale, Arizona, SoFi Stadium East, the new Rams house, home of the Arizona Cardinals, but site of this wild card game. What a transformation here in Glendale. The Rams organization has done incredible work to make this feel as much like a home game as possible. as the Rams look to win this wild card contest against the Vikings. Sean McVay has said that his franchise is built for this. That no sports organization has managed to turn tragedy into sports triumph like the Rams. How can that benefit them tonight in their endeavors?
This franchise, this team, all these teams since the Rams have come back have been through a lot together with all these different adversities that come at you. So this team is built for just about anything. This won't be a reason or an excuse for this football team not to perform coming down here.
We extend our heartfelt admiration and appreciation to those who have been tirelessly fighting fires and combating the consequences of those fires for the past week. It is a privilege to be here in Arizona so that the full force of our emergency responders back in LA can remain focused on priorities that are so much higher than football.
Have some fun today. Understand this moment. Understand how great it is. Cherish it, but don't let it be more than it is either. Right? Understand all we got to do is be ourselves.
Hey, only one team comes out tonight. We got the whole city on our back. Play for them, play for each other. Everything you got in 60 minutes, you walk off, you're the winners. Do what you got to do to make a play. The whole world watching, man. Let's go.
Yeah, boy, let's go, boys. Hey, y'all boys feel the vibe. Y'all know it always comes down to us, man. Everything that we've been through has prepared us for this exact moment. We built for this. We built for this. Everything that we've done, we built for this. We dominate from the start to the finish. Let's go get this money.
We blessed, and we here.
To have this opportunity, we take it. Y'all understand? When we don't get it, we take it.
We all know what we're playing for tonight, man. Make that come to life. This group, bring it to home. Let's go. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win.
That national anthem has unlocked some emotions around this football team, a lot around this game. Watching these guys tear up and start to cry. They are as ready to play as they're ever going to be, so let's just take it to the field and see what happens, guys.
From 1-4 to now within 4 victories of lifting the Lombardi Trophy again, Wild Card Monday is underway.
Let's do it. One play at a time.
The most veteran, the oldest quarterback in the playoffs this year, Matthew Stafford, who turned his season around in Week 8 against Minnesota. On play action, first play of the game, rips one down the left seam, caught by Nakua at midfield, into Vikings territory. Matthew to Puka, 27 yards and a first down.
How about that, boys? Let's go.
From the pocket, deals, left side, down the numbers, caught at the 20 by a diving Tyler Higbee. He reels it in over his shoulder and takes the Rams into the red zone on the first drive of the game. 4th down and 1, 7th play of the game's opening drive. And the Rams, did they lock it in? Did they get a free 5 and a first down? Matthew Stafford to use his cadence. 1st and goal from the 5. They'll play fake, boot out to the left side. Matthew flips his hip, fires middle, touchdown LA!
That boy Kyren, man, he always like that.
Alone at the goal line, his tailback Kyren Williams. Matthew Stafford could not miss. A perfect 6 for 6 and a Rams touchdown. The Rams strike first on this Wild Card Monday.
All right, we on the board. We won. That's it, because they're not scoring. They're not scoring. We won. We won. We won.
Defense can't wait to get on the field. Great drive by the offense. Let's hope the defense gets the stop.
Rams got him behind the stick, 2nd down and 11. Walls caving in. He is sacked! Agent Zero back inside the 20 to open this wild card game. Time running out. He's hit. He's sacked for the second time in the opening quarter. The conductor celebrates another.
Yes, sir. Hey, keep hunting, fam. You hunt right now. We all hunt right now.
This interior pressure is something, right? Who do you double team?
Splits off the edge. Kobe covers him. Durant decks Darnold back at the 31-yard line. A corner blitz on the front side of Darnold. An avalanche on Darnold's doorstep. Vikings 1 for 4 on third down. Darnold hits his back foot, looking for a target, lets it go. It's intercepted! Picked off at the 41-yard line. The land shark does it again. Rams defense holding this potent Minnesota offense to 3.6 yards per play. How have they done it, and how do they continue to do it?
Those young guys up front, Kobe Turner is having a great day.
Let's see who get there first. I've been lagging. I'm going to catch up.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Against the rush, blitz coming. He's hit. Ball down. Scooped up. V8's got it. Jared Verse has it down the right sideline with blockers. 10, 5, a leap into the end zone. The defensive rookie of the year with a scoop and score.
Jared Verse right there again. Big time play.
That a boy! Great job!
What a call again. Chris Shula calls a corner blitz. There's all type of confusion all over the place.
Hold the ball like that, boy. I told you I used to be a wide receiver. I ain't tight.
Midfield, 145 and rolling. 4th down and 2. His offense has not given way. Darnold on 4th down and 2. Nowhere to go. He's hit. It's Rams football. The conductor with a sack for a turnover on downs. This defense has been dominant. A signature first half performance in the desert. They've got the ball back on their 6th sack of Darnold in the first 2 quarters. Late first half, Rams, after a sack to take it over on downs, set up to expand their 14-point lead before the half. Receiver screen Nakua, turns to the sideline, slips a tackle, carries Vikings inside the 20. Look at him go. Oh, Puka Nakua, too strong. Playoff Puka mode activated. 30 seconds remaining. Stafford, cool as can be. Sidearm throw to the 9, to the 5, to the end zone! Touchdown, Davis Allen! A 13-yard connection with 15 seconds left in the half. The offense pays off all the fine work that the defense has put on display in this first half.
Let's go, dog.
You couldn't believe how open you were.
Back to throw. Pressure. Throw. Right side. Cut behind the defense. Back shoulder. He adjusts. He reels it in. Vintage Cooper Kupp. 9 and dime connect on 3rd and 9 deep down the right sideline. A completion to the 24.
I don't think Cooper Kupp saw that ball until it was 5 yards away from him.
Here in Glendale, Arizona, those are not boos. Those are coops. Vikings football, Rams lead, 27-9 the score. 3rd down, Darnold needs 8. Has a launch point. It breaks down, he retreats, fading away from pressure. Now the Rams got Trask and Michael Hoyts with a sack of 13 yards. 7 sacks for the Rams to tie their Super Bowl record.
Everybody on the board.
Hey, they are getting nothing. Let's be smart. Let's move on. If they have to earn it, they can't do it.
The Vikings looking for a late rally with less than 5 minutes to go. Darnold from the top of his drop is decked! Knocked down Neville Gallimore.
11 yards, King! 11 yards, King!
He looked like a blitzing linebacker with a full head of steam, decleating Sam Darnold.
I got you, bro!
Yes, sir. Come on, King.
I got you,
11 yards, boy.
I got you, man. Come on.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Proud of you, baby.
The Los Angeles Rams are 2 minutes away from Philadelphia. Shotgun snap, Darnold on 2nd down and 10. Looking left all the way, has to pull it down. He's thrown down at the 10. The Los Angeles Rams extend their postseason record as Des Juan Johnson has the 9th of the night.
Let's go! I know you're tired. Go sit down. Yeah. Give me that. Give me that.
After a week of tragedy in Los Angeles, the Rams triumph on a Monday night in Arizona. LA together and off to Philadelphia for the divisional round.
Love you, man.
Domsky, Wowski, Domsky.
I appreciate you, yes, sir. It's been fun. You keep them in any game. Appreciate you, man. Hey, go win this. Yeah, bro. Where do you think you're going, man?
Man, I'm really proud of our team tonight. Just the fight, the spirit, the resilience. All the different things that are great traits that this team has really built through the challenges that they've gone through. You know, with everything that's gone on with our community, everything that these guys have gone through, I thought they epitomized and they represented the city the right way. I'm really proud of them.
Hey, I'll tell you what. There's so many guys that we could recognize, but I think this truly epitomizes a team win. You talk about a connected group. You talk about a team that said all week, we're built for this. That's exactly what you guys came out and did, man. Unbelievable. You represented exactly what we wanted to be about, man. A city that's going through a lot of different stuff that can look to you guys and say, we're built for this.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our videos.